Everyone hold on to their boats. Everyone has their boat?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. You have to put it, you have to lay down on your stomach. I don't want you falling in. Okay, ready. Race, hold on. Racers, ready? Set, go.
Mine's gonna win.
Oh, Juliet's winning. Woo, let's see. Oh, look at mine's about to pass her up.
Mine is right there.
Oh, here we go. Jamila's in the back.
I'm gonna get it back.
Where's it going? Where'd it go? Who's winning?
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, look it. Uh-oh. There goes one underwater. That one's Juliet's.
No! Get Juliet!
What?
Get Juliet!
It's already underwater. It's already underwater. Oh, look it.
Mine?
Here comes
Daddy's?
Daddy.
Yeah.
Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go.
Yeah.
Let's watch it. Let's see who gets to the finish line first.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Julia. Oh, but Julia got caught on the rail. Oh, look it. Let's see if Daddy's gonna catch up and win. Oh, Daddy goes for the. Oh. Where did Julia? Jamila's got. Jamila's is just lonely back there, wherever hers. You know. Sometimes the ships don't sail.